Okay, ladies, your girl has been doing some damage in the makeup department. It's some things that I've really been wanting to try for a long time. Didn't really get around to getting it, but I got it now, and some other things that I want to get. So they'll be coming. But I got a little skincare on the drugstore side. Well, I don't know if you want to call this drugstore. I guess since it's from Ulta, it's more, grabby, if you will. It was on, the skincare is always on the more exclusive side, if you will. Well, this particular one was. So we'll go with that. But Ulta, let's get into it. So no particular order. First up, guys, I'm gonna open this because I really want to get into this with my next makeup look. So there's this lovely lady on Instagram. She doesn't have a YouTube channel. I cannot think of her name. By the time this video goes up, I'll make sure I'll have her. It's Raven Simone. That's what it is. Good. I got it. She is on Instagram and TikTok. I follow her. Now, I'm not really a blush girl, but since she's maybe a shade or two lighter than me, and she wears blush, and she wears it so effortlessly, so light and so faint. She's not running around here looking like she got two clown red balls on her cheek. It just looks so nice and so blended on her melanin. So I was like, you know what, Kelly? You don't need to break the bank on those blushes. So she went and she got the Dior blush. I'll leave it right here if I remember. The Dior pink blush. And that's like really bright. Okay? And then she went and got the House Labs, more like a Merlot type shade, burgundy type blush from House Labs. Now, both of those blushes, one is 30 something and one is 40 something. I was like, Kelly, do you really want to spend that money on those blushes? Now, yes, you can use them as eyeshadows if you want to, but I was still just trying to figure out life. Like, Kelly, you don't even wear blush. You keep your makeup super simple. So do you really want to spend that coin? So what I did, Jueva's Place. This here is volume 4. This is their blush. This is like the duo. So I went and picked up. Now, when you see it, you're gonna know what I'm talking about. I got a mirror. I didn't even know that. Look at this, y'all. You see this? Now, the blush was like this. Okay? Or it could have been like this. I don't know. It was these two mixed together. Okay? So, she put this on second. Very lightly. Very lightly. Now, you guys know that Dior I was talking about. This is it. So, I'm happy it came with a mirror. We like that. So next up, I'm going to show you what I picked up to kind of combat. So now they do have a blush set with Jueva's Place. It's called Volume 1. My Ulta did not have it. So they said I should get it by Wednesday. I'm going to go back and go get it. So I'll have it. This was only 18 bucks. You get 2 blushes for 18 bucks. It's a win. I'm going to keep it. So what I did to kind of mimic the House Labs Merlot blush, I don't think it's called Merlot, it's called something else, but that particular shade, I picked up these two. And I have everything listed down below. I got the Milani in Merlot, as you guys see, nice and deep. Is this a cream blush? I don't even know what this is. Did I even open this? No, I didn't open it. I don't think it's cream. Well, if it is, we'll figure it out when we open it. But this is Merlot. And then I picked up the Bake one by Black Radiance, and this is called Brick House. Now, you guys can see they're kind of on the same wave, but this one's a little bit more deeper compared to this one. But I'm going to keep them both because I can do some things with this in the crease, even if it is cream. I can, let me figure this out because I don't even know. It is cream. Okay. Well, this is really nice. It's very faint, and that's what we want. Let me just show you. And this may take, and it's right here. You probably can't even see it. Very faint. And that's exactly what we want. And I would probably put this on over my foundation before I set. Okay? That's what I would do with this one. Or I can set with this. Okay? Let's open this up. Since we in the opening mood. This was only $5 when I went into Target. I was returning something. No, I was gonna go pick up something, but they didn't have it. Ugh. That just took me 5 minutes to open. So now that we have it open, yes, this is more like it. Let's show you. Oh, this is, yeah. So you see, it's very faint, very, very faint. It's not too pigmented, as you guys can see. So I'm excited, your girl stepping out the box. I'm gonna try to get a little blushy blush on. I'm gonna try. Next up is the Juevis Place. This is the bronzer. Now, I don't need a bronzer because you know I'm stuck on my Black Radiance. Because you guys know I try to try out the Charlotte Tilbury. It wound up being the same. Now, I bought this. Let me open it up. Which way you open it? I bought this because I saw the blushes and then I saw these. I was like, ooh, this is nice and deep. I can't even get it open. This was the deepest one. This was deep. Y'all, it just took me. I had to break the box. I had to break it because I couldn't get in it. You talking about sealed? Okay. So pretty. Ooh. Okay. Oh yeah, this is pretty. Okay. Look at this. Look at this. Now this is definitely the same shades that is in my Black Radiance. But look, talking about contour, talking about defining your crease when you're going on vacation or you're just traveling and you don't want to bring too many items. You got your eyeshadow, you got your bronzer. Y'all, I cannot wait to try. This one was $20. The bronzers was definitely a little bit more. I don't know why, but it was definitely a little bit more. And it's the same packaging and so forth and so on. So, I don't know. Next up, this is an oldie but goodie. I have been so curious in getting back into doing these eyeshadow sticks. Reason being, I wanted to try the Bobbi Brown eyeshadow sticks. But I think they were like $20 or $30 a pop. And they didn't even come with half of the product. Not that you're going to use it all up anyway, because how many times have we used up something? I've only used up foundation and these little Black Radiance. It's only pretty much one part. That's when I use it a lot. But remember these, y'all? Y'all remember these? Can y'all see it? This is the NYX Jumbo Pencil. I picked this one up in the brown. Can't wait. Next up, the Telescopic Mascara. You guys know what was going on behind it, but I went and got it. Next up, I got the Milani. This is the little contour. I'm using it for a bronzer as well. You kind of put the little dots right here. I did mention that I did drop my Rare Beauty highlight, so I went and purchased this one from Milani. This one is the Stellar Light. No, Rose Glow. Okay, and last but not least, when it comes down to my makeup, I have here the Milani Baked Bronzer in shade 140. Doesn't it look so cute and nice? It goes nice on the cheeks. And last but not least, the highlight of the show, I went and picked up the Peach and Lily Glass Skin. This is the Discovery set. I can't wait to use it, guys. If you have it already, let me know in the comments what you think about it. Do you like it? I've been doing some little research on it. I have not yet used it, as you guys can see. I'm excited about it. I'll be doing a video on so I can give you my thoughts and my opinions on it. So let me know if you have it. Let me know.